Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn advanced Python programming. To truly excel, begin by solidifying your understanding of Python's core. This means mastering data structures like dictionaries and sets, along with common algorithms. Dive into object-oriented programming, understanding inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Also, explore functional programming concepts to broaden your perspective. Consistent practice and building real-world projects are key to transforming theoretical knowledge into practical expertise. Moving beyond the basics, focus on powerful Python features. Decorators allow you to modify functions or methods, while generators efficiently produce sequences of items. Context managers simplify resource handling, ensuring proper setup and teardown. Explore asynchronous programming with Asyncio to handle many operations concurrently without blocking. For extreme performance, consider learning how to write C extensions, which can offer speed improvements of 10 to 100 times for critical code segments. To become a proficient advanced Python developer, embrace essential tools and best practices. Master debugging techniques to quickly identify and resolve issues, and use profiling tools to pinpoint performance bottlenecks. Implement comprehensive unit and integration tests with frameworks like PyDis to ensure code reliability. Understand how to package your applications for distribution and deployment. Engaging with the open source community by contributing to projects offers invaluable real-world experience and learning opportunities. The journey to advanced Python is continuous. Keep abreast of new Python releases and the ever-expanding ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Consider specializing in a particular domain, such as data science, web development, or artificial intelligence, to apply your advanced skills. Engage with advanced Python literature and participate in expert forums to challenge your understanding. Finally, teaching or mentoring others is an excellent way to solidify your knowledge and discover new perspectives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.